Hey guys, today we're gonna show you the top 10 beauty standards in Mongolia. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but who is the beholder? This matter becomes more complicated as we attempt to define beauty through the lenses of different cultures and societies. For a while now, Asian women have been held to a standard of feminine beauty that suggests that they should be cute and gentle with pale, white skin. For example, kawaii in Japan is frequently used word that originated from the beloved mangas, and they depict that their eyes resemble of that of a cute puppy, and the smaller the nose features like that of a small kitten, the cuter the girl is regarded as. In Korea, on the other hand, the term aegyo is popular due to the significance of a woman with a youthful, innocent look. 1. Double eyelid surgery. It is common to see women with freshly cut eyelids walking around the city, making it one of the most highly sought-after form of surgery, involving an enlargement of their eyes. Most Asian women spend their livelihoods copying the Caucasian double-fold eyelids in order to achieve that Western look. 2. Skin whitening. For many decades, Asian women, especially Koreans with darker olive skin, would go through the process of skin whitening, as men of higher status would perceive them as more attractive and would be deemed as more pure and of higher status. Mongolians are no different when it comes to bleaching their skin, as Koreans have influenced them through the influence of celebrities with white facial complexions. 3. Nose. One of the most sought-after surgeries that are popular amongst Mongolian women involves a nose surgery. The lack of structured brow bone creates the want for women to get nose surgery to pronounce their nose bridge in order to achieve a higher, straighter-looking nose. 4. Long braided hair. For many decades, women residing in the countryside would go through the process of grooming and braiding their hair, as in the eyes of men, they would be deemed as more youthful and healthy. There are even competitions and beauty contests for long-haired women that take place to this day, though the beauty standard has vanished due to many people moving to the city of Ulaanbaatar. 5. Red cheeks. A woman was deemed beautiful if she had apple cheeks, and many would do various things such as pinching one's cheek to turn it red, though this practice has faded over time as most Mongolians have moved into the city where this method is not as popular as it is outside Ulaanbaatar. 6. Long legs. The modeling industry in Mongolia highly values women with thin, long legs. With the modeling industry booming in Ulaanbaatar, many women have made wearing high heels as part of their daily routine to achieve their desired look of possessing long legs. 7. Teeth procedures. It is popular here to either get a teeth whitening procedure or getting braces, as women here appreciate and love the perfect teeth look. 8. Lips. It is no secret that Mongolians have been influenced by Hollywood to get lip injections to achieve big, plumpy lips. Kylie Jenner is one of the many whom Mongolians recognize and get inspiration from. 9. Waist trainers. There is a growing trend in getting that hourglass shape that the Kardashians are known for. Many Mongolians buy waist trainers, go to the gym, or some choosing to go an extra mile and getting a surgery to achieve a slimmer waist. 10. Manicure and Pedicure. A woman is deemed pretty from not only the way they carry themselves in the public, but how they also look after their nails. It is very popular here to frequently get nail appointments. The length doesn't matter, as long as it is polished and painted in a clean manner. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.